I'm bored. I wonder what will happen this evening.
Caillou, we're going to see the Bonfire Night fireworks and you're not grounded, so you have to come with us.
Do I have to?
Yes, because we will be together as a family, and that's good.
What do I do now?
Put on some warm clothes and get ready, as it's cold outside.
Fine then.
Now we're all ready to go.
Rosie, Caillou, look at the pretty fireworks.
I can barely see, there are so many people.
You can just about see the bonfire where they're burning the gay.
They're burning a person on the bonfire. What the...
No, don't worry, it's just a dummy.
You know what? I'm going to jump over the crowd's heads to get a better view.
Caillou, get down from there.
No, I can see everything from here. I wanted a good view.
Caillou, if you don't get off that person's head, you will be grounded.
I don't care, old woman.
Caillou, how dare you call your mom an old woman? We're going home now. Caillou, how dare you stand on a person's head and call your mom an old woman? You're grounded forever. Now get your butt into your room so I can give you punishments.
I hate my life.
Your life is gonna get worse now. I have hot sauce with me. Now I will sit on your face. And now I'll throw a sit-on party with ear blasting music.